Good morning and welcome to my channel. The boys requested this vlog this weekend. We are at Noosa and we are going to take the Patrol on the beach for the first time. You guys excited?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Good. Can't wait.
Are you looking up how to use the car on the sand?
No. I know.
We'll keep you up to date on what we do on the beach. got Harry driving for the first time on the beach. Holy hell, it's been an experience. We had a bog, we fixed it up, we nearly had a fight. And Lee's just taking Harry through some driving tips. No, we didn't get bogged. We helped somebody. But we're just, Lee's just taking Harry through some tips on how to drive through sand. And he's doing really good. I'm a little bit nervous, but holy shit.
She'll be right.
Yeah, that's right. We're the backseat drivers. So we're enjoying the scenery and the bumps.
Just let it go on the track. Let it go on the track. Let it go on the straight. Just slow up. That's it. Stay down here. Follow this round. Just follow this. You don't have to go down there. Follow it round.
Beach. Harry done really well. How do you feel, Haz? Pretty good. How do you feel, Lee? I didn't see that.
No, it was awesome.
Feeling alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. What a good
question. Are you feeling alright?
Yes, I'm feeling okay now. How you feeling, Jacko?
Yeah, not bad.
He didn't do too bad. He did alright.
Yeah.
Yes. That was an awesome Sunday morning.
Very yelling, but no, we made it through.
We did.
We made it through.
We did.
I'm still alive. Thank God for that, eh?
That's right. That was an awesome Sunday morning on the beach. So now we're on our way back to our house that we've got.
Mansion, she means.
Yeah, mansion. I'm going to have a few bevies. We've got a beach party with some friends. So we're going to end this vlog here. And we'll catch up with you soon. So thanks for coming along on another Midgley adventure. And we'll talk to you soon. Peace out.